to all my viewers nationwide and worldwide. Warmest greetings to you all. This is Dr. Lemuel Tarukan, a Bible scholar and a physicist by education. Maybe you are very eager to hear what will I say to you, because I'm also into extraordinary healing and extraordinary cures. Because modern science proved that the key to all healings is energy. And this energy came in various forms. It could be electromagnetic energy, or maybe it could be, shall we say, when we eat foods, it is transformed into chemical energy and so on. Because we have mitochondria inside our cells. And there are dozens of it in our cells, in every cell. This mitochondria is the powerhouses. They served as powerhouses inside our cells. And so science proved that the key to all healings is energy. And HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, or AIDS are not exemption to this. So let me present to you the latest craze in medical science that scientists and even the intellectuals are crazy about. It is called my 2013 Miracle Worker Chipads. This is it. You can view this in Facebook. Just type Chi Pats. Chi, C-H-I, is a Chinese term meaning energy, and Pats, P-A-T-C-H. And you will know in progress what Chi Pats is all about. Why it puzzled medical science and even faith. Because it is always my view and my, shall we say, dream in life is healing beyond the beyond. And it is extraordinary health or nothing, because extraordinary health demands extraordinary effort. This Chipads has, although this is purely paper made, but it is durable and can last 5 to 10 years. Its energy is acceptable in quantum physics and in quantum theory and even in quantum mechanics, in which I tell you later. But sufficient to say that this Chipads right now is the latest medical craze in extraordinary healing, because this is approved and registered as medical tool in our IPO, or Intellectual Property Office, here in the Republic of the Philippines. Though this is paper made, but it has its own boiling point of energy version, because you can make teas by the gallons, T-E-A, by the gallons, within 24 hours only. And more so, it has its own sodium melting point version. It can melt salt after 72 hours. What does this mean? Modern science proved that cancer cells can only die in 40 degree centigrade heat or 102 degree Fahrenheit heat. So the very own version of this, it has also its boiling point. It can go beyond 40 degrees centigrade heat. That's why it can make teas by the gallons within 24 hours. And more so, it has its own sodium melting point version, because chronic diseases like emphysema, the mucus is plugged inside our lungs. So what it will do, it will break that mucus, and so it will be restored into proper health. Now, more so, this energy can be measured also in radiant quantum theory, because within 45 hours, it can liberate the water molecules of your tap water. It can be seen visibly with the human naked eye. And the molecule, each molecule is 0.5 as big as that. It can liberate the water molecules because its energy is very unique. And once you use this in your body, you will experience an out of this world healing experience. More so, our CHIPADS right now has been exhibited in world trade, in field trade, challenging the ORAC value, passing the ORAC value, chicken liver for weeks when it is treated by CHIPADS. Its freshness can last many weeks, and still it looks fresh without changing its fluid. And also, it can pass also what science demands, the ORP, or the oxidation reduction potential meter, because tap water, shall we say, has 500 points more or less of oxidation, and hour after hour it is reduced using the ORP meter. So there is no stone left unturned in medical science and even in faith that CHIPADS has not passed. Because even hydrocephalus kids, when treated by this thing, inborn hydrocephalus kids, they are treated and they got cured within 6 weeks. And week after week, prior to 6 weeks, they are improving their health status. They are restored little by little until 6 weeks. And you can like it in Facebook. Just type hydrocephalus cure. That is attested already by thousands, and that was publicly demonstrated. And also, because of its energy, it can also dissolve as quick as 5 days. Gallbladder cysts, kidney stones, kidney cysts, brain tumor. So they are already included in my medical journals, because I know that a specialized field of knowledge like science, law, logic, they all demand proofs, they all demand conclusions, evidences. And as a true scientist and as a true theologian, I certainly know my language. Now, in quantum physics, science proved that all living cells, humans, plants, bacteria, virus, parasites, they all have common electromagnetic imprint, and that is called electromagnetic resonators. They also received outside frequencies, and when that outside frequencies is stronger that of that cell when that outside frequency rather is in harmony with that cell, the energy of that cell increases. But on the contrary, when that outside frequency is dissimilar or not in harmony with that of that cell, the energy of that cell is dampened and destroyed. So the energy of chi pads is stronger. That's why it can dampen and destroy parasites. It can destroy virus. Yes, the retrovirus of HIV. Retro means periodically it changes its DNA code. That's why science find it hard time in finding right cures, because periodically it changes its genetic code. But with chi pads, bad ozone, cancer cells, HIV, or what have you, have no safe haven in a body treated with chi pads. So let me say further that this chi pads right now is earning its reputation, healing beyond the beyond, by just liberating the water molecules of water. Your excitement is already ignited. When you drink that water, I call it the excellent DNA water, because the water is zero bacteria. I mean, the tap water, when treated with chi pads, is transformed into excellent DNA water, because you are the very fabled fountain of youth. And chi pads excellent DNA water is your revitalizing spring. Go with me in youth and beauty and rejuvenation, in longevity without limits, only to whosoever will people. So this very hour, this very moment, I give you good tidings of great joy, good tidings of longevity without limits, of rejuvenation in longevity without limits, only to people who are willing. Live longer with me, with chi pads. The pulsation of life can go on, and its energy is steady, meaning very dependent. And its energy, as long as it is properly taken care of, can last 5 to 10 years. You will experience an out of this world healing experience. It will prevent the electrons collapse in quantum mechanics. And even in quantum theory, of course, its radiant energy is beyond measure already. If you are seeking for a fountain of youth, if you are seeking for extraordinary cures, you can bank on with our chi pads. And my battle cry is healing beyond the beyond. It's youth and beauty and rejuvenation in longevity without limits. What you heard this very moment is gospel truth, is a ring of truth. As a physicist, I am blessed with unprecedented world records by God as world's youngest Bible scholar, and also world's youngest ordained theologian, and also world's youngest book author, only at the age of 22, and at the age of 21 ordained as a preacher, and they are all documented and well documented in our very own National Library in the Philippines. And in physics, I'm the first one to liberate the white light energy seen by thousands, demonstrated in malls like SI Mega Mall, demonstrated in 5-star hotels, demonstrated in many restaurants like Kentucky, like McDonald's. You can check it out in Facebook. And this, of course, is recognized also by some medical doctors, for the ones also marketing this, and also nuns of OSB after the order of Sister Benedictine, because it heals beyond the beyond. It is so powerful that even a comatose patient can be awakened. So there's nothing so far that CHIPADS has not passed any challenge. And so I welcome any challenge. When it comes to extraordinary healing, you can bank on my CHIPADS, and you can bank on me. I thank you so much for viewing HIV Cure. Thank you so much for giving me of your precious time, for giving me your ears. And I hope that someday or soonest we will meet eye to eye. I thank you so much, and God richly bless us all.